Are you looking for the best printers under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best printers under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon MF656CDW. Our best upper mid-range pick is the Canon Color Image Class MF656CDW. One of the best all-in-one laser printers we've tested. It has the same print quality and features as the brother above and yields even more color prints. It's also easy to maintain, as its toner cartridges contain the drum, meaning you won't have to replace the drum separately. The trade-off for its lower price is its printing speed. It can print up to 22 pages per minute, but you can only get that speed when connected via USB or Ethernet, which is inconvenient if you don't have space near your computer or router to put the printer. Scan speed is slower but still respectable at 14 pages per minute. Cheaper variants with fewer features are available. See our full review for more details. If you only need to print black and white documents, the Brother MFCL 2750DW is a great alternative and one of the best all-in-one laser printers we've tested. It prints high-quality documents, takes little time to warm up, and prints quickly at 36 pages per minute. Its cost per print is very low, as a regular toner cartridge gets you about 2,000 prints and is relatively cheap. The scanner only processes up to 7 pages per minute through the feeder but supports single-pass duplex scanning. The biggest trade-off is the lack of color printing, so you must be sure you won't need to print any color documents. Number 2. Brother MFCJ 4335DW. If you need something for home use but don't want to go too cheap, the mid-range tier is where you'll find the best options. Our pick is the Brother MFCJ 4335DW, an inkjet model. It's more compact and affordable than the laser models we recommend above. You still get many features, like an ADF-equipped scanner, wide connectivity options, and fast printing speed. It produces high-quality documents, and while it doesn't have the best color accuracy or the widest color gamut, printed photos still look very detailed. Although it isn't a super tank printer, it still yields a large number of prints, approximately 2,000 black and 800 color ones. Better yet, replacement cartridges aren't overly expensive, which will help you save money in the long run. It has Wi-Fi and USB connectivity and is compatible with Brother's feature-rich mobile app, allowing you to print, copy, scan, and perform maintenance tasks from your smartphone. Number 3. Brother MFCJ 1205W. For the budget conscious, we recommend the Brother MFCJ 1205W, also sold as the Brother MFCJ 1215W at Walmart. It's an inkjet all-in-one intended for people who don't print much and only need basic features. It feels sturdily built, prints decent-looking photos, and yields around 1,100 black and 700 color pages. Naturally, since it's a budget model, it lacks features like an automatic document feeder and Ethernet connectivity. Printing speed is also on the slower side at 9 black or 6 color pages per minute. Nonetheless, it's still a good option if you're looking for something affordable and don't mind a few compromises. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E wireless color all-in-one does it all, and does it well, which is why it's easily our top recommendation for the best home printer. In testing, we found that it offers speedy printing and high-quality results, and it boasts both an automatic document feeder, flatbed scanner, and 2 huge paper trays. It's also surprisingly inexpensive to operate due to excellent page per cartridge yields, with an option to sign up for HP's Instant Ink plan to drive those costs down even further if your print volume warrants signing up for such a service. This all-in-one inkjet is a mild upgrade over its predecessor that came out a few years ago, the OfficeJet Pro 9025. with the main difference being that it's compatible with the HP Plus service. The 9025 is also a great printer, but opting into HP Plus while setting up this model doubles the warranty length and scores you 6 months of free ink. This kind of service isn't for everyone, but it's a good option if you go through a lot of ink. For instance, if you work from home or have a home-based business that calls for a lot of printing, this printer can help keep down the ongoing costs of operation. Number 5. HP Envy Inspire 7955E. When looking at the value proposition of a home printer, it should include a lot of great features at a price that beats the competition. The HP Envy Inspire 7955E fits the bill there, as this highly competent all-in-one offers good print quality in both monochrome and color, includes both a flatbed scanner and an automatic document feeder, and pretty attractive operating costs if you opt for an HP Instant Ink subscription. It's also exceptionally easy to set up, and we had it up and running faster than any of the other printers we tested in the lab thanks to its big display and simple instructions. Printers with touch screens built in are typically easier to set up, says Carl Putty of Optoelectronics. In most cases, the instructions will be right on the printer screen rather than having to find them on your computer. The HP Envy Inspire 7955E, for example, is the easiest printer to set up that we carry. This is a big printer, which is to be expected out of an all-in-one with this many features. It's also a little on the slow side, as we found during testing that it took 1 minute and 45 seconds to churn out our 10-page test document, and about the same amount of time to print a single photo on glossy stock. Overall print quality is excellent though, with crisp blacks and vibrant colors. Copies also come out legible and high quality, although we did note that color scans turned out a bit muted compared to the originals.